maybe you can do one and then somebody else can do the other. Yeah. Grab one piece. Alright. So we're going to go that way. I think it's going to be the best. So Christian, don't worry about bagging for a sec. So give him a couple. Alright. Alright. I'm ready. Alright. Back down. Got a sheet somewhere.
Individual UCSD is 0428.
ETA. Blood pressure 12 leads.
Okay, I copy the patient did regain pulses after the 4th epi, and you'll be transferring to our trauma unit. Can you please let me know when you're about to plug out?
I'll let you know, and then I'll let you. Alright.
Sorry.
Right now we do, yeah. We locked up there, Christian.
Yeah, you're locked. You ready to roll, kid?
Yeah.
Okay, I got it.
Yeah, try it there. So, let's see, where's your car?
Just right up
So 1018 for you. Great, okay. All right, great job.
That's fine.
So I sent Hein and Hal 1019. They need a break.
Okay.
They worked on that guy,
Okay.
and hopefully don't have to come back out. We'll see.
I copy.
Okay. on or off?
Good morning, sir. If you could, please tell us your name, spell your last name, and your position.
Yeah, Sergeant Joe Piccone, P-I-C-O-N-E. I'm a patrol sergeant, Chula Vista PD.
Thank you, sir. Can you tell us what happened this morning?
Yes, so we got several 911 calls of a vehicle versus a pedestrian. Myself and two other officers arrived immediately on scene, found a male lying on the ground, not breathing, unconscious and not breathing. He was, the driver of the vehicle that struck him stopped immediately, also called 911, and he said that the person on the scooter came out of traffic, came out of nowhere, and he had a green light, and he struck him on an electric scooter.
Okay, and you folks did CPR for a while before fire got here?
We absolutely did, yeah. My officers did a great job. They were able to get a pulse. Medics showed up, fire worked on him, and they transported him to a hospital.
But it's definitely life-threatening injuries.
Absolutely.
They did CPR for well over 20 minutes. That's usually not a good sign?
That's not a good sign, but great job by everybody continuing to work on him, and they were able to get a pulse and transport him to the hospital.
And how's the driver?
He's very upset, very emotional. No evidence of any kind of alcohol on board. Doesn't look like he was speeding. Just looks like a very unfortunate accident. You know, when you're out here at night riding on electric scooters or bikes, you know, helmets, lights, following the rules of the road, prevent a lot of these kind of accidents.
Now, also, this is a pretty graphic scene. How are the officers doing?
They're shaken up. Obviously, you know, coming and seeing a human being, you know, obviously in a traumatic condition is hard on them, but they did a great job, and we took care of them, sent them back to the station to get some time to kind of recover from this.
Okay, anything you'd like to add, sir?
Now, just please, if you're out on scooters, bikes, please be careful, especially at night. Have lights, helmets, follow the rules of the road, please.
And I'm sorry, I know that was the last question, but you mentioned earlier there was another car versus pedestrian fatal here in Chula Vista tonight?
We did. We had another one earlier this evening where a person crossing the road, running across the road, was struck by a vehicle.
Okay, and fatal?
I believe so. I don't know, but it was very serious, and I'm not sure on the outcome of that, but they were transported as well.
Okay, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.